Hi everybody, this is Jan Ruiz, and I hope all is well with you guys. I know I haven't made a video for you in a while, and I apologize for that, but I thought I'll make you this quick video because I've been getting a lot of emails, and I've been seeing on the forums and all of that, a lot of people are really freaking out about the new Google algorithm change. So people are asking me if my site has seen a drop or increase, and so I figured I'll just make a video and post it here on my blog so that you can all see what I think is happening. It's important. I just want to make one thing clear here for you guys. When it comes to search engine optimization, okay, SEO as we know it, nobody really knows the algorithm of Google. Okay, there's probably a handful of people that really knows what goes on in that algorithm, okay, and those guys has the @google.com email addresses. All right, so the rest of us marketers, especially us marketers, the only thing we can go by is, you know, we've been testing some stuff, and we've been making up educated guesses. Really, that's all SEO is an educated guess. Okay, so now Google has made a different algorithm change, and a lot of sites has been seeing a big drop in their rankings. My sites have seen an increase in rankings, and I have an opinion of why this is. Might not be right, okay? I don't know. This is just what I think happens on the new algorithm change, and so if you don't agree with some of the stuff that I'm saying, that's cool too. I really don't care. I like to learn with you guys. So just leave a comment down here and maybe we can have a good discussion about what's going on here right now. But for now, let me show you why I think my site has increased. And if you've been following my physical affiliate course, then your site should have seen an increase as well, because I teach you how to build sites and promote them the exact same way I do it. Alright? So, to start with, let's think about what Google's ultimate goal is with their search engine. Alright? They want to give the user the experience, the people that search us every day. They want them, when they find a website, okay, to have the best possible experience that they can have. Okay? Because if people stay on a website and they like it, then Google has done their job and people will continue to use the Google search engine. Okay? If Google only starts giving up spammy sites like it has been, actually it's been getting a bit of a problem, okay, then people are going to stop using them, and then they're going to go to Bing or Yahoo or whatever, okay, and so that's the bottom line of Google's mission, is just to give people the best experience. Okay, so their algorithm is pretty much based around that. So in my opinion, the reason my sites have been doing really good is, number one, oh man, wait. Number one is going to be unique content. Okay. Alright. All the articles, reviews, guides, and everything that I put on my website is 100% unique to my website. Okay. I do not scrape stuff from Easy Articles or Autoblog or any of that junk. Okay. I also don't post the exact same articles I have on my website somewhere else all over the internet. Some people do it with success and all that kind of stuff. I believe that my websites need to have 100% unique content, and there should be no other duplicate content that's the same as what's on my site on the internet. Okay. I believe that's a big factor that Google is looking at. Okay, and that's one of the biggest factors I think my search engine rankings has improved. Alright? The second thing is Google, they just paid, I think, over $100 million, I believe, to buy FeedBurner, which is a RSS reader site. And I think the reason that they bought that is also one of the reasons why they have Google Analytics, which we all use. We all use Google Website Optimizer. Alright? So Google is using those tools, I believe, to track what visitors do on your website. Alright? So with Google Analytics and Google Website Optimizer and all that, Google will be able to know how long, let's say somebody hits your site, somebody comes from your site and they only stay there for 5 seconds and they leave. Okay, that's your average stay time on your site. So Google will pick that up and realize, okay, well this site must not be of good quality because people only come here for 5 seconds and then they leave. Alright, I believe Google can get those kind of stats from FeedBurner, or not FeedBurner, Website Optimizer. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself, let me relax. Google Website Optimizer, and then also Google Analytics gives them that kind of data. Alright, Google also looks for what people do when they come on your site. Do they click around? Do they visit other pages? Okay, that's why I think a lot of people that's had auto blogs, first of all, you know, doesn't have unique content. They just scrape it somewhere else and post it on their blogs. Yeah, that's a great, easy, lazy way to, you know, to put content on your blog, and for lots of people it works. Okay, but I feel that they're going to start cracking down on that, and I think that has a big part to do with the new algorithm change as well. Alright. So the second thing, so what people can see is we want people to click around on our sites. Okay, that's why I think also my sites are up, because on my sites, remember I've been teaching, we have between 7 and 10 reviews on there, and then some other pages as well. And you can put other articles. That's another thing that I would recommend. Okay, build your sites out a little bit. Put like a buyer's guide in there. Okay, let's say you remember my pool pump site. You know, you can have stuff you can have articles in there that talks about what are the benefits of using the specific product that you're promoting. You know, just a regular, maybe a buyer's guide or a maintenance guide. You know, articles on there that helps the consumer on your site, you know, find everything that they want, that they will ever need about whatever niche it is that you're in. Okay, so if you have all that content, we're not building just thin little affiliate one-page sites that, you know, promotes one product, and it's just that page, maybe a contact page or whatever, and then that's it. Okay, our sites have at least, as I said, 7 to 10 review pages, and then so total you're talking about 12, 15 pages, maybe more. Some sites probably have more. Okay, I think that's a good thing, and Google can check that, and Google Analytics as well. You know, they can see people are moving in between your pages. They're reading more stuff. They're staying on your website longer. Okay, that's a big thing. Is staying on your site. All right. The amount of time people stay on your website, I believe, plays a big factor in this. Okay. On my site, some of them is, you know, people stay about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so people will come in, they visit 4 or 5 pages or whatever, and then they will stay on my website longer. Google sees this and they're like, okay, well that's cool. The visitor came in here and they're actually staying here and reading what's on there and interacting. Okay, I always leave my comments open because I want people to interact on my blog as well. The more fresh comments I believe Google sees every time they come back, then they will see as well. That tells them that your blog is, you know, you're generating user interaction. Okay, so you're actually providing value to the user, and then they will reward you for that. Alright? So, back to staying time on your site. You'll see sometimes on my reviews or whatever the content I put, I like to put video in between there. Right? I put video on my site because if people watch that video, okay, they're going to stay longer on your site. And remember, I believe if you get people to stay longer on your site, then definitely Google will reward you for that. Alright? So that's pretty much basically why I think that our sites, my sites, have been doing good. You know, a lot of sites like Easy Articles, they get kind of crappy, you know, stuff, a lot of crappy stuff published on there. A lot of sites, I believe, that's not focused on one niche, you know, also like Easy Articles, that's been hit because of that. I believe that our sites are nice and focused per niche. People come in there, stay on our sites, click around, you know, Google can track all that kind of stuff, and then that means that they found what they were looking for. So the Google search engine did its job, okay, and then they will reward our sites because, you know, their users are enjoying it. So, okay, so the other thing that that a lot of people also think could affect the new algorithm is the link building. Okay, we know as marketers that if we get profile links, .edu backlinks, and .gov links, you know, all that kind of good stuff, that our sites will rank well. And actually that is true, because the Google algorithm is based on links and content, like a mix, and then user experience. Now I think that's the third mix that's coming into that right now, because we know from before you just got to put good content on there, especially original content, and then also build backlinks to it. Okay, there's a lot I can talk about with link building, which I don't have time for right now. But if you build backlinks and you have good content on there, then you will rank. All right, that was the old Google secret sauce that people have figured out over the years. But now there's a third, as I just discussed. I believe there's a third mix in there, and that's user experience on your sites. They track it with tools like analytics and website optimizer and all that kind of stuff. They got FeedBurner. I believe they're going to start tracking how many people subscribe to your RSS feeds. Okay, so if you get a lot of RSS feed subscribers, then that tells Google your site's doing great as well, and they will reward you. With link building, I think I read somewhere that people think that Overstock, the website Overstock, got dropped from the search engines because they were actually giving people that has .edu or .gov blogs, they were giving them a discount on their website, to have links on their blogs coming back to the Overstock website. Okay, so that's what I read, and then Google told them to take it down, and then they're trying to take it down, but their site just dropped. Okay, I use .edu links as well. They help a lot, but I don't overdo it. I don't have thousands of them out there. Another thing I believe is profile links and these spammy blog comment links that you can order all over the internet. I don't really use those that much. I do use profile links though, because they do work. So far I don't think that has affected any of my ranking in a negative manner. I don't overdo it. I don't go out there and build 200,000 profile links like some people do. I just do the minimum that I can get away with profile links. So basically that's all I have to say about this whole algorithm thing. That's as far as my thoughts go on it and my opinion go on it. I think it's going to be all about user experience, how long they stay on your site, do they give comments, and that kind of, and yeah, that's about it. If there's, just put good content on there for them, original content, and make people stay on your sites, and I think we're going to be fine. That's it. I will, hopefully I'll make a video sooner this time and not wait this long. So, take care, bye-bye.